Hello children, Tribeni Public School welcomes you all for the grade 4 science activity class, and today's class is very special. Guess why? Because the science activity we are relating to the environmental day which is coming around on June 5th. So it is a special day, and please pay attention for the activity for today's class. As you all know, even this activity will add up to your internal assessment. So today's activity, before we begin, I would just like to introduce you. The topic is plant play. Now what exactly is plant play? How do we do this activity? All these questions might come to you. So you can just have a look and very carefully you can do this at home. So let's begin. Plant play, as you can see here, the plant is represented in the diagram with different sections. What are these sections? You all know there are two main parts, that is root and the shoot system. So now shoot system will have what all children? Stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. So grade 3 has put you in some information about the root system. That is two kinds of roots which you studied, taproot and fibrous root. Let's see in detail what are these. See here you can see the differentiation of a plant into shoot and root. You can see in this picture on the left hand side here. Yes, this one into shoot and root system. And here coming to the roots part, we have taproot and we have fibrous root. These two are difference between the two is the slender hair-like structures which is called as fibrous root, and the taproot will have the thicker hair-like structures below the ground. Now next is we will have the materials required for this activity. You need to take two sets of plants or two kinds of plants for a safer side, but you can perform this activity in one plant only. The other plant you just keep it handy in case you don't get the results required in the first plant. So any two kinds of plant or any similar kind of two sets of plants you take, and please have any elder guiding you while doing this activity. You need to have a blade, a glue, a chart, and you need to follow the instructions or the procedure which I will tell you in the next. The procedure is very simple children. You need to take any kind of plant, as I said. You need to neatly cut the root and the shoot separately. Okay? And please stick the root in a chart and write under that as root, and please mention it as taproot or fibrous root, what kind of it is. And towards the right hand side of your chart you can stick the shoot part separately. I said you to take two kinds of plants. Why? Because you can showcase the slender stem and the more slender stem, that is the herbs and the shrubs. And for the roots also, if you are okay, if you are having, if it is available, you can take two kinds of roots, that is fibrous and taproot, or any one is also fine. So next you can place the leaves of two kinds where the green shade will be more in one leaf and little less in the other, and you all know that the green content is due to the pigment called, yes, chlorophyll. So next you can dissect or cut the leaves, shoots, roots. After that, okay, here ends the activity, and please kindly stick this activity in a chart and let it be colorful children. And I hope you all enjoy doing this activity at home, and please bring this activity once the school reopens. Enjoy while doing this activity, and please have some elder around you. Happy Environmental Day. Thank you.